Welcome back, dear listeners and learners of competitive examination. Today we'll discuss about pharmacist vacancy in railway department, government. In that we learn about what is qualification required for pharmacist post in railway department, what is the age limit, how much vacancy, when start applications, what is the last date of application, how to apply online application, what is marking scheme of exam, and last what is the syllabus of exam. So these questions will try to find. Means first, what is qualification required for this post, what is the age limit for this post pharmacist, how much vacancy, when start applications, what is the last date of application, then how to apply online applications, what is marking scheme of examinations, and what is the syllabus of these examinations. So first, age limit, that is 20 to 38 is age limit of this post. Official website, there is different zone in that. RRB Mumbai, so this is a RRB Mumbai zone website, official website, that is www.rrbmumbai.government.in. So age first, that is 20 to 38, official website. Then applications, this is official website. This official website you can search in your Google tab and you have to apply this post. Second most important, that is qualification required. What is the qualification required? So that qualification required 10 plus 2 science, or it is equivalent with diploma pharmacy from recognized institutions and registered as a pharmacist under Pharmacy Act 1948. So 10 plus 2 science or equivalent with diploma. And second, bachelor degree in pharmacy, B.Pharm from a recognized university or equivalent and registered as a pharmacist under Pharmacy Act 1948. So first point we will clear, that is age limit 20 to 38, qualification 10 plus 2 science or equivalent, as well as degree recognized or registered as a pharmacist under Pharmacy Act 1948, and Bachelor of Pharmacy with registered medical registered as a pharmacist under Pharmacy Act 1948. Next, this is the vacancies of pharmacist. You can see serial numbers 13, 246 vacancy all over India. Vacancies, that is 406 vacancies in their pharmacist post. Opening of date application, that is 17/8/2024, and the last date, that is 16/9/2024. Remember this date. Starting date, that is 17/8/2024, and last date, that is 16/9/2024. That is the last date. Region wise vacancy, northern zone, southern zone, western zone, that is the different regions. So this is a region wise vacancy. In that way, see in the example, that is Mumbai. In that pharmacist vacancy, that is regions. These are the vacancy, total 23 vacancy pharmacist. In central zone, western zone, that is 8 vacancies. So see this vacancies region wise. Next, section wise marks, how much marks in this paper. Professional ability 70 marks means subject specific. General awareness 10 marks, general arithmetic and general intelligence and reasoning 10 marks, and general science 10 marks. Total 100 marks question paper. So this question paper is 100 mark question paper. Professional ability 70 marks, general awareness 10 marks, general arithmetic, general intelligence and reasoning 10 marks, general science 10 marks, and total 100 marks. Marking scheme, but there is also applicable negative system. There shall be negative marking. And exam, that is CBT, computer based test examination. Each wrong answer 1/3 of the mark is allotted for each questions. And time duration, that is the question paper for single stage CBT will be 90 minutes. So remember this time, 90 minutes, 100 questions, as well as 1/3 system. Negative marking 1/3 system, 19 minutes, 100 questions. Syllabus for 70 marks. Professional ability, in that 70 marks, that is the syllabus pharmacy. So all over first to final year syllabus, in that mention human anatomy and physiology, pharmaceutical analysis, pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry, remedial biology, remedial mathematics, pharmaceutical organic chemistry, biochemistry, pathophysiology, computer application pharmacy, environmental science. Okay, this is the first year syllabus of PCI, Pharmacy Council of India. Second is physical pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical microbiology, pharmaceutical engineering, medicinal chemistry, pharmacology, pharmacognosy, and phytochemistry. So this is the second year syllabus. Third year, industrial pharmacy, pharmaceutical jurisprudence, herbal drug technology, biopharmaceutics, pharmacokinetics, pharmaceutical biotechnology, quality assurance. Fourth year, instrumental method analysis, pharmacy practice, novel drug delivery system, biostatics, research methodology, social and preventive pharmacy, pharma marketing management, pharmaceutical regulatory science. So this is the elective subject. Fifth and sixth, that is in your syllabus, pharmacy syllabus, that is elective subject. Pharmacovigilance, quality control standardization, herbals, computer aided drug design, cell and molecular biology, cosmetic science, experimental pharmacology, advanced techniques in dietary supplement and nutraceuticals. So human anatomy and physiology, in that different system, nervous system, digestive system, reproductive system, respiratory systems. Pharmaceutical analysis, in that titrations, acid base titrations, complex metric titrations, redox titrations. Another precipitation titrations, you have to know about that pharmaceutical analysis. Errors, pharmaceutics, in that different dosage form. These are the very important: solid dosage form, liquid dosage form, semi-solid dosage form, gaseous dosage form, parenteral dosage forms. So in that pharmaceutics, you have to know about each elixir, solution, suspension. So in that subject you have to learn, but you have to revise again. Pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry, in that limit test, various limit test, remedial biology and remedial mathematics. Pharmaceutics, well, organic chemistry, in that you have to know about the basic organic chemistry, hybridizations, as well as SN1 reaction, SN2 reaction, E1 reaction, E2 reactions, stereochemistry, biochemistry, in that know about citric acid cycle, glycolysis pathways, identification test of proteins, amino acids. Pathophysiology, in that subject you have to know about the various disorders, neurotransmitters like Alzheimer, depressions, psychosis. Next, computer application in pharmacy, environmental sciences, in that know about sustainable development goals, millennium development goals, as well as keto protocols, as well as various activities will carried out central government regarding the environmentals. So these are to know about. These questions also arises in general knowledge also. Next, second year subject, that is physical pharmaceutics, in that know about the solubility, very soluble, freely soluble, solubility enhancement techniques. Pharmaceutical microbiology, I have to learn about gram positive, gram negative bacteria, stainings, sterilization, especially pharmaceutical engineering, in that size reduction, size separations, distillations, maybe operations. Medicinal chemistry, you have to know about the drug acting on central nervous system, peripheral nervous systems, cardiovascular systems. Pharmacology, basic pharmacology, you have to arise the questions second year, that is general pharmacology. Therapeutic index, what is therapeutic index? The therapeutic index is used to helpful for safety of drug, identification of safety of drugs, agonist, antagonist, receptors, adverse drug reactions. So you have to learn about in pharmacology. Pharmacognosy and phytochemistry, in that you have to know about the very source of plants, their biological constituents, preparations, Chyawanprash, Amla, Aswa, Arista. So this type of questions, identification test of digitalis, etc., etc. Industrial pharmacy, you have to know about the tablet, capsule, aerosols, preparations, vials. Pharmaceutical jurisprudence, you have to know about different schedules, schedule Q, schedule P, schedule J, various schedules and their examples also. Herbal drug technology, in that know about the nutraceuticals formulations. Biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics, in that know about the transport, active transport, passive diffusion, which mechanism insulin absorb, which mechanism vitamin ADK absorb, which mechanism polio vaccines absorb. So this type of questions in that biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics, means absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion, pharmacokinetics, specially questions will arise. Pharmaceutical biotechnology, in that immunity system, in that immunoglobulins, different immunoglobulins, IgM, IgD, IgE, IgG, this type of immunoglobulins, as well as ELISA techniques, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Quality assurance, in that guidelines Q1, Q2, Q3. Next, instrumental method analysis, in that UV, IR, NMR, mass spectroscopy, basic principles and detectors. Novel drug delivery system, in that ask the question, that is what is novel drug delivery system, controlled drug delivery system, sustained drug delivery system, microencapsulations, gastroretentive drug delivery systems. Pharmacy practice, in that know about the hospital system, means how much pharmacist required, how much nurse required, how much doctor required for bedded hospitals, means 200 bedded hospital, 300, 400, whatever. Biostatics and research methodology, in that sampling techniques. Social and preventive pharmacy, in that theories or commissions, health commissions, India, which commissions will form, Bohr committee, Murliar committee, so etc., etc. Pharma marketing management, also say price, promotion, PPPS concept. Pharmaceutical regulatory science, pharmacovigilance, study of adverse drug reactions, experimental pharmacology. So these are the all syllabus of pharmacist post you have to remember, and you have to go through the PCI syllabus. You have to know about each and every point. This is the syllabus of examination, or the 30 mark subject syllabus, that is general awareness, in that knowledge of current affairs, Indian geography, culture and history of India, including freedom struggle, Indian polity and constitutions, Indian economy, environmental issue concerning India and world, sports, general scientific and technological development, general arithmetics, number of system, BODMAS, decimal, fractions, etc., etc., proportion, percentage, trigonometry, elementary statics, square root, age calculations, calendar, general intelligence and reasoning, analogy, alphabetical and number series, coding and decoding, and general science, physics, chemistry and life science, up to 10 standard CBSE syllabus. So these are the other 30 marks subject syllabus. So in these sections we all questions will clarify what is the qualification required, diploma as well as degree, but registered pharmacist according to the Act, Pharmacy Act 1948. What is the age limit? 20 to 38. How much vacancy? Region wise. When start application form? What is the last date of application form? How to apply online applications? What is marking scheme of exam? What is the syllabus of exam? Syllabus of exam marking scheme, negative system is there. So you have to remember this. Thank you.